Luke Wright is back with another episode for you, and I kid you not, this next episode is again Yamaha XT related. We've got another Yamaha XT related video. It's going to be straightforward. We are going to, or I'm going to show you the factory noise from a factory XT660R.
Cool!
I'm talking default, out the box, existing exhaust systems, existing cats, existing exhaust pipes. And what does the Yamaha system make the XT sound like? You're going to find out right here, right now!
It's showtime!
And as you can see, the XT660R, her factory cans are quite big and quite enormous.
Whoa.
They have actually got a lot of sound deadening and a lot of material packed into those cans that reduces the noise of this Yamaha engine significantly.
Shit just got real.
You see they're quite long cans, but what does she sound like? What does she sound like when you rev her up? What does a factory Yamaha XT660R sound like? Let's find out at Luke Rides.
Just do it! No! God, please, no!
It's awful.
It's all fucking awful! It's all of it, and every single one of them sucks!
So as you can see, folks, the Yamaha factory system really holds back what the single cylinder engine can do.
Fucking thing sucks!
It's quite a thumpy noise when you listen to her engine revs and really bring them up to maximum. It's quite a thump, isn't it? And you could tell that a lot of the exhaust note was really held back.
What the
And
fuck?
if you listen very carefully, you can actually hear the little pops at the top of the revs, and as the engine's revving down, you can hear pops.
What?
Those pops, everyone, is fire. Those pops are bangs in the actual exhaust system.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
But then it's absolutely deadened and quieted out by the system. So those bangs are pops. They're not bangs.
This whole thing
Fucking sucks!
It's heard, everyone, the idle revs, and also what a factory XT660R using its factory Yamaha exhaust cans and exhaust system sounds like here at Luke Rides. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you on the next episode of Luke Rides. Thanks guys, catch you later.
The way we...
The little rascal has fluid. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Off-roading bonanza! Whee! Ha! Whee! Ha! I am through the Revving! That was exciting and fun, and now I'm gonna put you on Ormers Hill! Oh,
I'll
fuck.
have to
It
ask
is
my
actually fucking
accountant about
ginormous. Oh no! Ha! Silly! Oh yeah! Oh fucking hell, talk. Oh, having the talk can make the world a difference.
Oh, behave.